Hi, today as you can see I'm in my car and I will demonstrate the use of our products called SmartVets, Smart Vehicle Diagnostic System. So we are going to use RTL, SDR and also OBD2 for our diagnostics. So we are starting off with RTL scanner. So as you can see, this is my RTL scanner, and to see if I'm connected or not with the RTL, I'm going to open AirSpy. As you can see, no device is selected. So now I'll put in the RTL on my USB and run the AirSpy again. And as you can see, it's picking up radio signals on 433.92 megahertz. So as we've already got the radio signal, and we can start our code and run the code to see if it picks up any RF signal from my car. Quite a bit of time. As you can see, we've already extracted the data, and you can see my tire pressure in PSI. For this part, I'll be showing you the demonstration on our OBD use for SmartVets product. So I've already connected the USB on for the OBD. Now we'll plug in the OBD pin to my car, as it's usually located under the steering wheel or the driver side of the dash. So as you can see, it's there on the pink pin. So I'll just plug it in. As you can see, the red indicator means that it's turned on and connected. Once connected, I'll run my code for scanning the CAN ID for using OBD port. It's extracting CAN data, and then it'll decode the extracted CAN data into more readable text, such as battery voltage 13.8. Since my car is turned on right now and it's run quite a bit, so it's quite high. The engine oil is 85%, which is normal and good, and my tire pressure.